In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted tasks in Wrike. This process is quick, easy, and can be done in just a few simple steps. So if you've ever accidentally deleted a task, or if you simply need to recover something previously removed, this guide is just for you. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Wrike. You can do this by simply typing Wrike into your search bar and selecting the official Wrike website from the results. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already a user, you can opt to try Wrike for free. Now, here's an important tip to keep in mind as you navigate this process. Data placed into the recycle bin can be accessed and restored by anyone who had access to it before it was deleted. This means that tasks you've shared are not lost forever and can be recovered by you or your teammates if needed. Once logged in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the sidebar. Here, you'll find your profile image. Click on this image to reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, select Recycle Bin. This is the hub for all tasks that have been tossed aside, and it's where the magic of restoration happens. Now, if you're dealing with a long list of deleted tasks and you want to streamline the process, use the search option available. It's conveniently located at the top of the sidebar. Enter the specific name of the task you're looking to recover. Make sure to check the In Recycle Bin box to filter your search results more effectively. Once you've found the task you want to recover, you have a couple of options. You can simply right-click on the task within the list and select the Restore option. This will bring your task back to life in its original location within your workspace. Alternatively, if you prefer a different approach, you can open the task in the item view and click on Restore. This method serves the same purpose and allows you a bit more interaction with the task before bringing it back. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to restore deleted tasks in Wrike. Whether you prefer using the list view or exploring individual tasks in item view, restoration is just a couple of clicks away. Remember, efficiency and organization are key, and Wrike makes it seamless to maintain both. Thank you for watching and following along, and happy task managing.